Hey everyone! Freezing a video at the right moment can help us add emphasis, humor, or dramatic impact to our edit. Whether we are highlighting a reaction, pausing on an important detail, or creating a smooth transition, freeze frames are a simple but powerful editing technique. In this video, we will show how to freeze a video in Capcut in a way that's easy for beginners. This effect works well for social media content, cinematic edits, tutorials, and storytelling videos. The main reason for freezing a video is to stop motion at a specific frame so viewers can focus on a key moment. Pausing frames can draw attention, let us add text or effects, or help create clean transitions between scenes. This technique helps us control pacing and storytelling. Instead of moving too quickly past important visuals, freezing the frames gives our audience time to see what's happening. When we use it well, our edit feels more intentional and professional. Let's go through the steps together so everyone can follow along. First, open your Capcut. Once we are in Capcut, click this Create project. Once we are in this project, we will import our media. Let's use this as an example. Now, let's put this on our layer. If we play this, we can see there is no freeze moment in the video yet. To create a freeze moment, let's choose a spot here. We can click the video. If we want to place a freeze moment here, just click the video and then go to Tools. Here, we can see the freeze option. In the drop-down, we can select freeze and adjust how many seconds we want to freeze, or set the duration. We just need to choose how many seconds we want our video to freeze, so we can add some text or content on it. Now, when we play it again, it will freeze. We can see it's freezing now, and then the video will continue. That's how easy and simple it is. That's it. Freezing a video in Capcut is an easy way to add emphasis and creativity to your edits. It allows you to highlight key moments, improve storytelling, and create smooth, engaging transitions. As you continue editing, experiment with freeze frames combined with text, sound effects, or motion blur for even stronger impact. Small editing techniques like this can make a big difference in the overall quality of your videos.